everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect your iPhone to your Windows computer using link to Windows. Let's get started. First, grab your iPhone and open the App Store, search for link to Windows or Microsoft Phone Link. Download it. Once it installed, open the app. You might see a welcome screen. Just tap Continue. Now go to the Windows computer, search for Phone Link in the Start menu and open it. If you don't see it, go to the Microsoft Store, search Phone Link and install it. When you open the app, choose iPhone as your device type. A big QR code on the screen. Pick up your iPhone and tap Connect my iPhone. Your camera will turn up. Simply point your iPhone at the QR code on your computer screen and it will scan automatically. After scanning, your iPhone will ask for a few permissions. Tap Allow for Bluetooth, notifications, contacts and photos. This makes the connection work smoothly. Your PC may also ask for permission. Click Allow there to make sure both devices stay on the same Wi-Fi networks for best performance. In a few seconds, your iPhone and PC will be linked together. Once connected, your PC will show your iPhone status. You will see options like messages, calls, photos, and more. Your iPhone might show a small message saying the connection is complete. And that's all. Your iPhone is now fully connected to your Windows PC using link to Windows. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.